Hi again. Our third project, Aamal Student, focuses on empowering students by connecting them with mentors, resources, and opportunities. This platform offers, first, access to career guidance from professionals, also tools for skill development through created educational content, also a community-driven approach where students can collaborate and share knowledge, which we'll dive into it later on. Plus, Aamal Student is all about enabling the next generation of talent to thrive in a competitive job market. Before we dive into our application, I would like to mention that the website is not fully done, so we are not going to show it today, maybe in the soon future, inshallah. But the phone application on the mobile app is ready, maybe just a little modification on the design part, that's all. So without further ado, let's dive directly into our mobile app. As you can see here on the screen, the first step is it's gonna ask the user for his type, like is he a company or a student. If he selects company, it's gonna direct him into our website, and if he is a student, he will continue the procedure of creating the account on his mobile device. This is just some basic information about the application that we're gonna change later. Here it's gonna ask the user to go into simple authentication process where he gonna either directly connect with his account if he already has one, or sign up if he is new user. Here he gonna add his email plus add password. Bear with me, the process is gonna the process of creating the account is gonna take some time, but hopefully everything will be done as a click. Now we're gonna choose our phone number. You can directly type our phone number here, which will ease up the process of the notification and the automation of confirming the account of the user. After adding our phone number, it's gonna ask for more information about the user. We're gonna add the first name, the last name, our country, etc. These are just some basic information every user needs to pass through, so we can provide them with a better user experience, and also will help us in providing them with the specific job offers that they're gonna need. Here he's gonna add his education or basically in what year he is right now, or what's the last degree that he spent working on. Here we're gonna add directly our information, LinkedIn page. These are just dummy data that I'm adding so I can show you the process of the account creation. Now it's gonna ask us for work experience. If a user or a job seeker has already worked, he can add this here, like where he worked, the title of the job, where he worked, since when to when, the description, also files maybe that he was provided in the previous job. He can also directly skip that part if he has zero work experience. Here it says work experience, but in reality it's just a tree where the user or the job seeker is gonna select the variety of skills that he gonna provide for the companies that he will work for, inshallah. These are just few data that we are putting into our database, but we will add more, inshallah, in the future. We're gonna add just graphic designer and a mobile dev. Continue, and here the user can add his languages, the variety of languages that he can speak with, how good he is in them. Let's just say like English or French or something like that. We continue direct. And for profile picture, we can skip this part. After that, it's gonna ask him for the notification if he wants to enable them or not. So yeah, the account is done and created. Let's directly now log in into the account that we have created. Done. The page the user is gonna be directed to at first. It's a simple, fun, interactive UI where the user can swipe left or right for the job. So if he will swipe to the right, that means he likes the job and he will apply for it. And if he doesn't like it, he will directly swipe to the left. It's gonna direct him into the job after it. He can also bookmark it or save it for future. He can also click on the job where he can view or will be provided with more informations about the job offer. Also here he gonna see the job offers that he already swiped right for them, that basically he likes them. Here is the message tree where the user or the job seeker will directly contact or be contacted by the companies that swiped back into or matched back into his profile. Also here is the forum system where it's have a community where they can talk about different topics, like here traveling on a budget and all, like tips and tricks. It's just a simple interactive platform or a page where the user can talk about different subjects. Yeah, that's it for now. Here he can see his favorite domains that he can basically view later on. And he can also create a post when he can add a title, the content, and also the domain of the posts. So there will be easier way to search for them later on here, where they can search for the topics. They can like or dislike, also add comments on each post they can read. And last but not least is the account, when he can edit his account and view the settings for the notification, the saves, the message, the job offer that he saves, the matches and notification and all that. Before ending the video, I would like to talk a bit about the matching system that we created. It's a content-based filtering that's gonna take the skills, the work experience, and the education from both parts, the profile of the user or the job seeker and the profile of the job offer. After that, it's gonna go out into our model where it's gonna calculate the similarity between them and provide that with score. So that's how the job offers are gonna be filtered to be shown to the user or the job seeker. The same thing for the job offers, where it's gonna filter the users based on the matching score. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope all the projects were well described. If there is any need for more explanation, please don't hesitate to contact us and we will provide you, inshallah, with a better in view. Thank you for watching. See you, inshallah, in the future.